Fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Talk Explorers. I'm your host, Ola, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT Custom Instructions. If you're wondering how to make the most out of OpenAI's incredible language model, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use custom instructions to get the responses you want. So, let's get started.
What are custom instructions? First things first, let's talk about what custom instructions are. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model capable of understanding and generating text. With custom instructions, you can guide ChatGPT to follow specific prompts and provide responses tailored to your needs. It's like having a more personalized conversation with the AI.
Now let me show you how to use custom instructions. It's easy. OpenAI has provided an API that you can integrate into your projects. You can access this through their platform. Visit the OpenAI website, https://openai.com, and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're signed in, navigate to the OpenAI dashboard to access the API and other features. Step 2. Choose the right API endpoint. In the dashboard, go to the API section to explore the available endpoints. 2.2. Choose the appropriate API endpoint for ChatGPT, depending on your project's requirements, for example, chat.completion.create. Step 3. Obtain API key. If you don't have an API key, generate one in the dashboard. Make sure to keep your API key secure and avoid sharing it publicly. Step 4. Set up the environment. 4.1. Prepare your development environment, whether it's a code editor or an integrated development environment, IDE. Ensure you have the necessary programming language libraries and packages to make API requests. Step 5. Make API request. Using your preferred programming language, Python, JavaScript, etc. Initiate an API request to the chosen endpoint. Pass your API key as an authentication parameter in the request headers. Step 6. Structure the conversation for custom instructions. Structure the conversation with a system message and one or more user messages. The system message sets the behavior of the AI, and the user messages provide instructions for the AI to follow. Step 7. Define system message. The system message is the first part of the conversation and sets the behavior of ChatGPT. You can use a system message to instruct the AI's tone, style, or general behavior. Step 8. Add user messages. Add one or more user messages following the system message. 8.2 User messages instruct the AI and guide its responses. 8.3 Be clear and specific in your instructions to get accurate outputs. Step 9 Send API request. With the conversation structured, send the API request containing the system and user messages. The AI will process your instructions and generate a response based on the provided input. Step 10 Retrieve and review response. Receive the AI-generated response from the API. 10.2. Review the response and check if it meets your expectations and requirements. Step 11. Fine-tune instructions, if necessary. If the initial response is not satisfactory, you can fine-tune your instructions. Modify the user messages to better guide the AI toward the desired output. Repeat the API request with the updated instructions until you achieve the desired results. Step 12. Ethical use and compliance. Always use ChatGPT responsibly and ethically. Follow OpenAI's usage guidelines and avoid generating harmful or misleading content. Respect privacy and do not misuse AI-generated content. Congratulations! You've now successfully created ChatGPT and utilized custom instructions to guide the AI's responses. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and iterate to get the best results for your projects. Happy coding!